Back here with another video. I'm going to be fixing my resistor in my heater because it's gone. It's literally blowing out like a baby would. It's like barely and it sucks because it's like in the middle of winter and I'm freezing. It's been a rough couple of days, so we're gonna get her changed out. Hopefully this won't be too bad, but there's some bolts or something down here that I have to get to. Remove those and I'll let you know those in a minute. The main bolts out, but now they say you need a 7/32 to get these off, which kind of sucks because it's a freaking weird size. So I'm just kind of, if you don't have time, definitely go to like O'Reilly's or something to grab this. It's gonna suck. And so this plugs into the back, goes in there, and then this wire kind of sucks to come out because it's kind of, so I had the screwdriver at the very end of this. It's very hard to get in, but you kind of have to push that down and then slide it out. But that's a pain. So the new harness kind of confused me for a second. I was like, oh crap. But so this one goes into the where this one was connected to. So goes back into the back motor right there, or whatever that thing is. Put it in there, and then this gets cut and spliced into the original one. So get out of the way. So this one goes in here, red to red, black to black, and then this purple goes into this purple. It's just cut and splice. And mine didn't come with any butt connectors, so you may need to get some too. Yeah, mine didn't come with anything. It just came with some gaskets and the new screws. So hopefully this will fix it, and then we'll be good and I'll have heat because I'm freezing. It's cold. So let's cut her out and we'll be good. Make sure you disconnect the power because I don't want to blow up anything. We're all taped up. I used my little butt connectors right there, my waterproof ones that I love, and put her all in. So now all I gotta do is plug her in, put the little soft foamy stuff around it, and then put her in and just turn her on. Moment of truth. Oh yes, she's working, boys. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can hear her, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Awesome. Oh yes. I have heat. I have heat. Now I'm just having a pain to get this freaking what's it called, the bolts or the nuts back into it. It's kind of a pain because I'm trying to get them all lined up right to the hole, to that thing right there, and it's kind of hard when you can't see it. But yeah, let me get back in, and that's it for the video. Really try to make it as short as I could. But yeah, thanks for watching. Pretty easy job if you have the right sockets and stuff, but it's not too bad. But just cutting and splicing, and that's, you're good to go.